sure that for qualification you attach all the important documents which should help you bring at least 10 marks in the first section of the evaluation criteria. Only when you secure 10 marks, then we will go and visit your kitchen. If you secure less than 10 marks, we will not visit your kitchen.
بالنسبة للنقاط العشرة هذه المقدمي الإعاشة، فإذا اكتملت الشروط هذه النقاط العشرة فسعادة المدير العام يزور الشركة هذه ويزور المطبخ. إذا أنتم ما كملتوا في البداية النقاط العشرة هذه فما حيزوروا أي مطبخ. وإذا عندكم استفسار عن الأمور هذه تفضلوا.
So as my honorable DG pointed out, that this is the most important and fundamental portion of the evaluation criteria. You must not forget about that. At least obtaining 10 marks is essential for qualification to the next stage. The next is, this is the criteria regarding the general condition and capacity of the catering company, which includes the general condition of the kitchen. Those who qualify in the first stage, the hiring and procurement committee will then visit the kitchen, will issue a schedule for that, the timing for that, and the kitchen will be visited by the hiring and procurement committee members, and they will see this line, and every kitchen will be accordingly allocated marks on the basis of these requirements. Like general condition of the kitchen, mahbas, tandoor, all these facilities will be physically checked and inspected, verified by the hiring and procurement committee members. So cooking and handling capacity of the caterer, food delivery mechanism, you should have the vehicles, how many the vehicles, and you should also show the vehicles in the company names. Like for example, in that very day you bring vehicles from outside the market. No, you should provide the proof for that. And similar is the case with the storage facility which you will witness in the inspection. And the other is distance from the nearest vending cluster. Definitely we form cluster for the facilitation of Hujaj as well as for the caterer facilitation. That a suitable cluster is established, and we will see that how much a kitchen is, the distance of the kitchen is from the building cluster. So the next is the managerial capability. For example, the management of the company, the management which is involved in the distribution process, that is the most essential. If you have a very good kitchen, but you have a poor management, so you won't provide good services to the Hujaj. So this is the most, like for example, supervisory staff, the cooking staff. We prefer to have Pakistani-based cooks to provide the food to the Pakistani Hujaj as per their taste, Pakistani taste. Then there is Pakistani chefs and cooks, and also the cook must have the ta'aqqud, the contract with you in the company name. We understand that there are some seasonal workers, some permanent workers, so we will be evaluating the hiring committee.